everyone, welcome back to yet another episode of Buddingly. In today's episode, we are going to meet an entrepreneur who has achieved a lot at a very young age. Just at 25, she is not just an entrepreneur but also a post-graduation student of the prestigious ISB. And along with that, she is also the governor-in-chief of Street Cause, which is the largest student-run organization in Hyderabad. Talking about her company, she is the co-founder and CEO of Super Healthy, which is all about wellness and healthy snacking. And within just a span of 1 year, it has become the Amazon's bestseller, leaving all the competitors behind. Let's get to know about her journey in her own words, from being a normal student to becoming the CEO of Super Healthy. So let's go and meet Ms. Meghna Rao. Hi Meghna, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm good too, thank you. Also, we are very excited to spend a day with you.
Oh, I'm so excited too. Please come in.
Yeah, sure. So Meghna, firstly, let's talk about Super Healthy. So could you please let us know what Super Healthy actually is?
Right. So Super Healthy is a young startup. We started in 2019. So we are into the healthy snacking space. So we have products like Daily Dose, which is one of the #1 bestseller. It's also Amazon's #1 bestseller, which has 20 plus nuts, seeds and berries varieties, and it's also an immunity booster. So this is one of our top selling product. And apart from that, we're into seed mixes, berries mixes. We also sell separate snacks like masala cashews, masala pumpkin seeds. So we are into the healthy segment, and we want to provide more healthy choices to our customers across India.
Okay. So how did you come across this idea? How did you get it? How did you start it?
Right. So actually, 2019, when we were actually speaking, so Yashwant and I, we are the co-founders of Super Healthy, and we are friends through Street Cause. It's an NGO that we work together. So in that, so we were just discussing about how the keto market is trending in India, and everywhere, all our friends are like, "Arey, I'm on keto diet. I want to do this." So we were like, "Chalo, why don't we start something in the keto space?" And back then there were only like limited competitors in that space. So we actually, the idea started off by we wanted to sell keto products, and the Daily Dose, which I just spoke about, right? These are all were like, okay, plan B kind of a products that we had. But so we started off with the keto products. But later that we realized, keto market was moving, but we were not able to scale as much in the keto market, and we were not doing enough revenues. The margins were not really that great from keto. So then we shifted our focus to healthy snacking space, and that's how the idea started. So we wanted to do keto, but then we stopped keto, and then we moved into healthy snacking space, which is like every household, anyone can just have a super healthy product. So that was the idea.
Also, talking about Super Healthy, what do you think is the USP of your company?
Right. If I have to talk about the USP, I think it's about if you look at Amazon, right? If you look at this products in the healthy snacking space, there are competitors who are like 5 years old, 10 years old, who've been there in the market, but still we have become the #1 bestsellers within just a year and a half, right? So I think one is having that competitive advantage over the pricing and the quality. So we look for our products in the wholesome nutrition, and also make sure that the products are priced competitively, so that the consumers, in the end of the day, they shouldn't feel like healthy snacking but it's going to be expensive. They need to feel that it's affordable, and it needs to be there for everyone. So I think that's something. So in terms of our ingredients that we use also, they're like really quality ingredients which we source from sometimes import from other countries as well. So I think that's the wholesome nutrition, and making sure that we are priced competitively, and making sure that the branding is something which is really appealing for our customers and the new age customers right now. So I think all this together, I think, is a package that helps us be unique or stand out from our competitors.
Okay, talking about studies, Meghna, we know that you got into ISB, which is great. Congratulations, first of all. Could you please tell us about the journey of getting into ISB, and how has it been? I mean, for all the ISB aspirants out there.
So yeah, I applied to ISB actually twice, in my third year and fourth year. Third year I did not get selected, and it was like the failure really took a toll on me, and I really felt bad about it. So actually I applied through the Young Leaders program. All the students out there also definitely look out for it and do apply in your final year or pre-final year. Through that process, it was a really tiresome process. It was a lengthy one as well. But really what helped me was streetcars back then. Or the entire journey that I had in streetcars from my first year to fourth year, it really helped me in strengthening my application and giving up that story, because back then I still did not start super healthy. I always wanted to be an entrepreneur as a child, so I really mentioned that in the essay, but most of it was about streetcars, and I really think it was the help that I got from streetcars and the alumni from streetcars who really were there and helped me out in strengthening my application, my essays. I think that's how my journey into getting an admit into ISB was.
Since we're anyhow talking about education and all, you've been a part of streetcars since many years now. So how was your journey with streetcars exactly?
Sure. So I think it's going to be almost 7 years this October of my journey with streetcars, and it has just been incredible. So like you're also a member of HYA right now. So I started my journey with streetcars as a HYA member as well in my first year. Then I worked with Hyderabad Youth Assembly Streetcars E4s in the second year, and in the third year I worked as the president for streetcars, and fourth year as the chairperson for HYA. So throughout my undergraduation, I think it was my studies were one side and there were streetcars on the other side. So I felt like I graduated from streetcars also along with my undergraduation, and I had a different look at life before this. Like I wanted to just go with the flow or something, but streetcars has taught me those leadership skills and those values on how I want to shape my life, and the alumni support and the mentorship that you get from streetcars has also been incredible for me, and it's just like shaped my life, and whatever I am today, I definitely would say it's because of streetcars. The success that I've had and all the learning that I have had with streetcars, and that's why I just want to give back as much as I can to the organization, and really looking forward for my future in streetcars. Yeah.
So you have been a part of streetcars since many years and studies and now Super Healthy. How did you exactly manage, and how are you exactly managing things between it?
So I think streetcars really helped me in building my time management skills. So like I was telling, right, I was working in different roles in streetcars as a student. There's one incident I would like to share about. So it was my second year and E4's first event, which was on June 5th. And because it's World Environment Day, we have to do an event that day. But I had my C++ lab external also that day. So in the morning, I had to we went to KBR Park at 7 o'clock. We did the event. We had to sell saplings in a plastic bottle, and we tried to raise some funds that day. From there, 9 o'clock the event was over, and I had to go to CBIT from KBR by 10 o'clock because 10:30 my exam was starting and the reporting time was 10. So I think that's one incident where I really was like, oh God, what do I do? And in the car journey from KBR to college, right, that's when I actually studied for the exam because the previous day we had to do a night out to paint the plastic bottles and then put the saplings and all. So I think that's one of the incident I really remember about how I really juggled between exams and streetcars. And like I told, right, it's what I am today is because of streetcars. So yeah, it's a way of life now. So I don't really feel like I'm juggling between different things. I feel more like it's just a part of my life, and it's just something that I do regularly with anything that I do in my life. Any routine I do, it's just a part of it. So I don't take it as a separate entity.
Right, Meghna. So we have got to know about you from you, but we would like to meet your mom, and we would like to know what she has to say about you.
Sure, definitely. Let's go.
Yeah.
Hi ma'am.
Hi.
Ella unnaru?
Fine.
Okay, so ma'am, we would like to know more about Meghna. Like chinnappa nunchi, how was she? Like was she active in everything? Like how was she exactly?
Since childhood, she is very brilliant. So she was topper in all.
Okay.
Everything, not only in studies.
Okay, Meghna, so what's next?
Next, I have work at factory. So
Okay.
factory keldama?
Yeah, sure, let's go.
Let's go. Pramika, this is Rupali. She is currently second angel investor. And that's Vikram. So he's currently doing an internship with us, and he'll be joining us full time soon.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
So Rupali, since you're also looking after branding for the company, what things did you exactly look after for the branding thing? And I've also seen your packaging. So how did you get to that exactly?
Okay, so basically me and Meghna, we've known each other for years. And it all started in Street Cause when we were working in E4s and all that. And we become very close. So we started hanging out together. We went to trips, solo trips together. And it was amazing. So Tarvata, when she started her journey with Super Healthy, Apudu, I've seen her work, and then she normalga friends lo maatladukuntu untam kada, like see this is what we're doing and all that. So once they sent on my birthday or something, they sent me these products itla gift laga. And then when all my family members and I actually tasted it before, but then when everyone around you appreciates something so much, and then you start having that interest in it. Atla mella mellaga villan kalsi, I started meeting the partners. See, I knew the partners also before, but then not like very anta Meghna telsinanta kada. So వాళ్ళతో మాట్లాడి అలా it was a process anamata. And then slowly I initiated this. See, Megs, I actually want to like invest in this adidi ante. Then she actually made me have a proper official meet with the partners. And then we discussed over it. It took like almost 3-4 months pattindi. We didn't want to rush with anything. We wanted everything clear because it's friendship too there. So atla ayi tarvata final ga, see, it was a very proactive team. Everyone are like literally overachievers akkada. And I'm actually very happy I'm here. So and any day, I mean, the way Meghna works in Street Cause lone telisipotundi, the how we work and the work life etla untadi, output etla untadi adi ani. And the team specially inspired me a lot for me to be a part of it. Yeah, that's the main thing anamata. And yeah, obviously the products, like our daily dose anedi anni different types of nuts, berries, seeds avanni ante, I've never tasted anything like that before. Chinnappudu etla ante, you have these kismis and then kaju and you mix them because there's one sweet and one normal, ala mix chesi tintune. So there's actually a product like that, and ante it was very different. So the product was also very nice, that I actually had interest in the whole thing. Yeah.
So Vikram, you're doing an internship with Super Healthy, and you've decided to make this a full-time job. So what exactly made you choose this as a full-time job, and what are your learnings from this internship?
So basically I joined Super Healthy in the month of August last year, and it was a time during the pandemic. So I was just looking for an opportunity to support my family and all. And that's how I've known Meghna and Yashwant and all the team of Super Healthy since Street Cause. So I came and asked for an opportunity. They said, yeah, why not? And since then it has been an exceptional journey. I've got to work on the product line, like how do we launch products on different e-merchant platforms, and how do we do the pricing, how the ads work, and I also got to work on the sales part, like looking into the market intelligence, which is a key role that plays amongst all our competitors. So I had to look into where we're getting the revenue and how the revenue is flowing. So it's been a really great journey with this, and that's why I would rather prefer Super Healthy than any other job. That's been a great learning experience for me so far.
So Meghna, how did you get the initial funding for the company, and what is your current turnover?
So initial funding, all of us friends itself, we
Okay.
have bootstrapped, and we've invested for ourselves. And then right now, so basically last FY our turnover was 33 lakhs.
Okay.
And this FY our turnover is 3.2 crores,
Oh, wow.
which is we've grown almost approximately 10x from last year.
Yes, that's great. Yeah.
Thank you.
So Meghna, a lot of businesses have suffered due to the pandemic and corona. How did you exactly tackle with the whole pandemic situation?
Right, so COVID was difficult, like really hard for us during, I think it was almost 2 months, 3 months of revenue losses for us, and raw material was stranded because there was no sale anywhere, right? And most of ours being e-commerce online, still the deliveries were not open yet, and we really suffered a lot during those 3 months. We've had a huge loss of revenue as well. Rather, like I mentioned, right, our turnover was 3.2. It would have actually been 4 or plus if not for the COVID.
Yes.
But I would also say that one way COVID has helped, because post-COVID, right, people started using e-commerce a lot more, and the demand started growing, and the e-grocery space started growing a lot. So I think it's also helped us in boosting our sales post-pandemic. So it's both bad situation as well as a good
Yeah,
situation.
yeah.
So yeah.
Okay. So all of us, like, we have somebody whom we consider as a mentor or who is a mentor in our lives. So do you have someone in your life whom you consider as a mentor or something?
Right. So in my life, I actually have two mentors,
Okay.
Akhilesh and Revant. So
Okay.
Revant was someone who was there through me with me through the Teach for India fellowship that I did
Okay.
post my graduation, and he was really like a solid person or guide for me. And apart from that is Akhilesh.
Okay.
I think whatever I am today, I think I owe a lot to him. Right from Street Cause to Super Healthy, he's always been there for me, and he's always made me the strong person that I am. And he always pushes me to do more than what I do, and he makes sure that I challenge myself and I never get complacent. So I think Akhilesh has been like a greatest like mentor for me, and I'm really grateful to have him in my life. And yeah, so he's my mentor.
Yes, great.
So Pravalika, this is Anjan. So
Hi.
Anjan has been there with Super Healthy since the beginning. He's been our support system.
Okay.
And along with Akhilesh also was mentioning that. So Anjan has been like one of the greatest friends
Right,
that
right.
we've had. And actually we've also met in street cause.
Okay.
So, yeah, and Anjan, this is Pravalika. She has a couple of questions for you. So.
Yeah. So, Mr. Anjan, you've seen, Super Healthy, like right from scratch, because you've been that friend, like from the beginning, like from years now, and you've seen it grow, like since the beginning. So, what do you have to say about Super Healthy?
Yeah, I mean, firstly, I know them since long. Like, we all have been friends since very long, and I've seen Super Healthy grow right from the beginning.
Yeah.
And one thing I'd say is that, I mean, you must be having about a million innovative ideas, and what really matters is that what makes it a great innovative idea is that you get fixated on one and really be resilient on it. And I think that's what exactly happens at Super Healthy. And because they've seen multiple odds, and the team has been extremely resilient on what they believe, and whatever you see is the result of that for them. And they also have a great culture out there, and the team really works.
Right.
Really, I wouldn't say they really work hard, but they've got an idea and they work towards it. So
Right.
they build a really good team and everything. So I believe those are the two major reasons for the success behind Super Healthy.
Right.
And they're never, relaxed or something. Every day is a new beginning, and every day is a new step forward.
Right.
So as they also got angel investment recently, and with Rupali adding into the team, I believe that's a great team, and the team will take Super Healthy to a new heights.
Right.
So that's it.
Thanks.
All the best. All the best again.
Well, thank you so much, Meghna. Thank you for spending an entire day with us, and it was really, really inspiring. Your story and everything about your company and business and your team, everything, it was really great. So before we wind this up, do you want to say anything else?
Yeah, sure. I think since beginning, Super Healthy is like a very important part of my life right now, and I'm really like glad that we had this day. I had so much fun, like revisiting my memories of Super Healthy, how
Yeah.
it was there since the beginning. And one thing definitely is like I'd like to thank all my friends and my Super Healthy team, especially
Yeah.
Madhavi, Kiran, Sri Lakshmi, Naveen, Shiva. These are all been there with us, and I think our team is like really strong. And all my friends, right? My friends, the support system that they have provided me is like really great. So I'm really grateful to all of them actually, and I'm really grateful for today to Buddingly also, for covering this, and it really means a lot, right? And
Yes, yes.
So yeah, also folks, please do order our products.
Yes,
Just
yes, and
go
the link is in the description.
yeah, you can just go to Amazon and like click Mix Nuts, and you
Yes.
will find our products. So just go for
Absolutely.
it, and don't forget to subscribe to Buddingly as
Yes.
well. So they're a really great team, and a bunch of like crazy enthusiastic
Yeah.
folks, and they're doing a great job. And so yeah,
Thank you so much.
sure. So it was a good day.
Yes, it was. So, yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share,